who gave us this work.
Gavana ma Nairobi ko jatend migao mar somo Ezekiel Machogu oketo kokgi winjruok e chenro mar pogo omenda maromo bilion 1.7 mar chiemo ne skunde. Machogu owacho ni omenda no idhi pogi e kind kaunti ma Nairobi kod sirikal mamalo ka omenda maromo bilion 1.7 oket thenge ne chenro no mar chiemo e skunde. Chenro ni mar chwalo chiemo e skunde bende ibiro tim e kauntis mamoko 26.
Program will not achieve its goal. What assurance are you giving?
Very much. Thank you. And we will work together. As we progressively move forward, we expect that we should be able to cover each and every county in Kenya with a school feeding program. This we are going to progressively do it. I'm sure that this particular financial year we are going to cover quite a number, and going forward, CS, with your support, we want to cover each and every county of Kenya, because that is what His Excellency the President of the Republic of Kenya expects us to do.
I've seen many people trying to say that this should not be done, there are other priority areas. We can two-gum and work. You know, we are saying that we want to increase this program from just the children in public primary schools. We will feed the hungry children. We will feed hungry people, ultimately, because that is the role of leadership. And remember when I said in Roysambu, feeding is not a county function or a national function, it's a leadership function. It's a leadership imperative that must be followed.
School feeding programs, school meals program, is actually, we have to provide that food. So it means that we increase the enrollment, but then we also increase smart agriculture, because we have to provide that food. We are not going to import the food, we are going to grow the food, isn't it? So smart agriculture becomes extremely, very, very important. But something else that Waziri here and Governor said, the nutrition outcome. Nutrition outcome is very, very important. We have so many examples of where we dropped the thread, and the nutrition outcome has really affected